Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the Samsung B series soundbar HW-B750F 5.1 channel subwoofer, 2025 model. But before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price. Design and build quality. Samsung continues its legacy of sleek, modern designs with the HW-B750F. The soundbar has a minimalist yet premium build that fits perfectly under any TV setup without taking up too much space. The wireless subwoofer is compact but delivers powerful bass, completing the 5.1-channel surround sound experience. Audio performance. This 5.1-channel system excels in delivering balanced audio with sharp highs, rich mids, and deep, thumping bass. The voice enhance mode is particularly useful for clear dialogue, making sure you never miss a word during movies, sports, or TV shows. Samsung's Q-Symphony technology synchronizes the soundbar with compatible Samsung TV's built-in speakers, creating a more immersive and expansive soundstage that fills the room. Adaptive sound and features. The adaptive sound feature automatically adjusts the audio settings based on the content you're watching, be it action movies, music, or dialogue-heavy shows, ensuring the best audio experience every time. Additional connectivity options including HDMI, eARC, Bluetooth, and optical input provide versatile ways to connect your devices seamlessly. Setup and usability. Setup is straightforward, with wireless subwoofer pairing and simple controls via Samsung's SmartThings app or remote. The system is user-friendly, perfect for those who want premium sound without complicated installation. Final thoughts. Overall, the Samsung HW-B750F 5.1 channel soundbar is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio system. It offers clear sound, powerful bass, and smart features like voice enhance and Q-Symphony, all wrapped in a sleek design. Whether you're a movie buff, gamer, or music lover, this soundbar will elevate your audio experience. Don't forget to check the link below to grab yours at the best price today.